Hello and welcome to Mingle, a free chat program which you can talk to multiple people, and it's based on user rating, and we'll show how. Don't worry about this video. We're replacing it with this video that we're making right now, and I'm already registered, but the registration is pretty easy. But I want to show you Facebook Connect because that's the first thing we're going to we really want to see. So I'm on Facebook with this guy, or else I would do it with my Google Chrome. So first you connect with Facebook. Get a nice little notification here. And then we come up to our main screen. Let me just explain it really quickly. We have our users online, which toggles when you click on it. And you can select each category, which I will explain later. And then we have our ratings, which you rate individual categories based on what you want to be seen as. I already rated this guy, so that's why some of his ratings are different, but it saves it on the database, which is why it knew when it showed up. But show ratings based on what you like and don't like, and then 3 is kind of neutral. So yeah, that's that. Now let me show you how to chat. So we need 2 people. Let me get my other guy on here. Actually, we'll show you that the creation works as well. Sean B. Nice little ring to it. I'll load this up. And did I choose? Yep, I choose movies. We'll make them in sports for now. Let it update. If it ever does. Odd. Anyways, don't know why he's not updating, but let me initiate a chat. Oh, there we go. It's very delayed. I don't know why. Go back to this. First thing it does, it automatically creates a chat box. It creates a little new message, so if you're like browsing other things, it'll show that, and then you just focus on it, and it'll disappear. Go back to Mingle. We have nice little emoticons. You have I removed just so we could I could show you that it does work. But one sec, let me show you. It adds slashes so you don't get SQL injected, which is good. Originally it doesn't show that. I removed it from the code just for this demo to show that it works. That you could actually see the slashes. Usually it doesn't show them because that wouldn't be very nice. So yeah, you can chat with multiple people. And what the ratings does is, let's say there's 5 people. Now I can't log on with 5 different, because I guess each browser has a cookie, and we saved cookie state, and so yeah, you can't do that. I can't like just create 5 little tabs and have 5 people. But if I could, what you would see is if he was in, we'll make him in Trilogys, I guess. So if he's in Trilogys, and there's 5 other people logged in and in Trilogys, what it would do is it would look at my Trilogy scores, which are all 3 because I didn't rate any. But if they were like all 5, I love all Trilogys, they're all awesome, then it would reflect that in people with 5s in their Trilogys. And again, it's hard to show with one person, but I believe we update it every 5 to 10 seconds, and so after those 5 seconds went by, it would check the ratings again and rate them and organize them top to bottom based on most similar to least similar. Again, we can't really show it because there's only 2 people on. And so yeah, that's that. It's pretty cool. It's like the main part of our chat program. It's sad that I only can do this with one person, but it's pretty cool. So yeah, it's our chat program. The inner stuff that you might want to know about, like the XML, since you have multiple chats open, what we have to do is we have to filter out the results. And if a person accidentally exits, so let's say I exit, oh no, it still shows them, so I can still chat with them. Once it updates, it won't show him, and then I can't chat with him. But when he logs back in, it shows it again. It shows the messages that he lost when he was logged off, which is really cool. And how it does that is when we request all chat lines, we currently have one that you're at, and then ones that you need to retrieve. And so when we send the request, it will update the one that you're at to the ones you have already retrieved, that you just retrieved. And what it does is it sends it in an XML formatted document, each one with a chat line. Each chat line has a chat ID, a sender ID, and a sender name. In the background, the sender ID is just used so you could figure out which chat box it is as well. And so yeah, if I had multiple chats open, it would organize that. Instead of sending each query based off a chat box, it sends them all at once, and then it organizes them on the client using XML. That way it's a lot more efficient. So instead of, if I had 100 boxes open, which you're allowed to do, you're allowed to have 100, then it would just send one request every second instead of 100 requests every second, which would probably bring down the server. So it's a good thing that we thought about it in a smart way. So yeah, that's our XML portion. As for database portion, we save it as a database with good tables. And so yeah, that's our database portion. So we have chats currently running, which are a lot. And the reason there's a lot is because it saves every single chat that you've done. And so we wanted to have a show history, which is what this third bar would do, but we didn't get to it. It's on our wish list. And it would show the history of all chats that you've been in. And you could see like everything you've ever said to that person, which would be kind of cool. So yeah, that's that component. Social component, you're chatting with people. The external API, we use Facebook to log in, and we use jQuery, like we use their UIs for you know, just good looks, and we use jQuery for also building the main part of the application. And in case people don't like jQuery, we also use Facebook. So yeah, that is our chat program, and yeah, hope it's good.